In this video, I will show you how to fix connection timeout error in Play ARK Windows 11. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So people are complaining about the issue with this connection timeout, and the people who have been posting all over the social platform and forum, people saying that every time I try to get an official server, this is what pop up. I have a very good PC with a great video card and plenty of RAM. I have played single player for over 8,000 hours. I have never been able to get on your register server. So people are saying that we are having the same problem on big crystal server. So the best outcome is fix is first make sure your server is actually up and running up the BattleMetrics website. Search to the find your server. If it is red, it's don't timeout. Most of the time for official servers are due to server being down. If it is red, there are other people on the server per what BattleMetrics stress that it will could be due to some reasons for an ARK update. It could also be some firewall worker or internet provider blocking. There could be another variable at play too. So make sure then when you play the server your virus is turned off, and the virus is turned off and the third party software which are blocking the firewall or can alter the firewall should be turned off. So that way you will be able to fix the issue, and that's it, you are done.